Let's chat about weather on this Saturday night and talk about the impacts heading our way. Starting with a live shot outside right now. It is cloudy, it's gray, and temperatures are warm for January. Lower 70s out the door, 72 at the airport, 1 degree better at Stinson. We have that south wind helping with the warmth and humidity out there. Right now at about 7 miles an hour. And temperatures across the area warmer than average. We started off in the 50s and 60s this morning around the region, and now we're recovering, but not by much. 72 in the city again, 73 at Floresville. And same out west in Del Rio at 70 with some mid-60s in our hill country areas like Kerrville, Fredericksburg, and near Comfort as well. Tonight's forecast, if you have any outdoor plans, mostly cloudy, temperature staying on the mild side, maybe a light jacket, but not cool or chilly at all. Upper 60s by 9 and 10 p.m. with 1 or 2 clouds overhead. Now after midnight, just like this morning, we will see fog form around Bexar County, the hill country, Highway 90, parts of I-35. It's not going to be widespread, but there will be pockets of fog that reduce visibility down to about a quarter mile tomorrow morning. Be very careful as you head out early Sunday morning. Here is the temperature timeline over the next pretty much 24 to 36 hours. So tomorrow morning fog giving way to sunshine and highs right around 77. Very warm for this time of year tomorrow afternoon. And then a cold front drops in around 5 o'clock. That'll drop off temperatures rapidly. We're looking at lower 30s by Monday morning, near freezing. Speaking of freezing, look how cold it is across Canada. This is where this air mass is originating, in central portions of Canada, into the Northwest Territories. And this cold Canadian air will spill farther south. Now, it will modify. We're not looking at that kind of temperature forecast here in San Antonio, but it moves south, and watch what happens locally. Now, we're not going to expect any rain with this Arctic front. It'll come through mostly quiet, maybe just 1 or 2 clouds around. And here it is on the hour-by-hour forecast, about 4 o'clock. Right around the hill country, and then right through San Antonio at about 5 p.m. North winds tomorrow night this time will be gusting over 30 miles an hour. And then here's Monday morning, lower 30s, upper 20s. Add in that wind chill factor, likely mid-20s is what it's going to feel like Monday morning. So heads up for the kiddos heading out to the bus stop early Monday morning. Now for the hill country, we're expecting freezing temperatures early Monday. That means at or below 32 for about 8 to 9 hours for parts of Bandera County, Kendall County, and Kerr County. Something to keep in mind for your plants and vegetation for parts of the hill country. Now on top of that, rain starts to increase by later next week. Mostly Wednesday night into Thursday morning is when this system moves across the Lone Star State. And notice how active it gets. Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma, all the way west towards Lubbock is where they're expecting next week, January 8th and 9th. Widespread snow for that part of Texas. San Antonio, we may be clipped by maybe 1 or 2 areas of sleet, a wintry mix, and some freezing rain. If temperatures stay at or below 32 across the hill country, I think mostly light to moderate rain for San Antonio, and then it moves fast. By Friday afternoon, it's cleared and it's out east away from us. Meantime, this is what the impact travel forecast looks like. Dallas seeing snow, I-35 corridor, a wintry mix and freezing rain, while San Antonio, again, mostly light to moderate showers moving through our area. All right, 14-day forecast starts with that impact alert for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's when the cold temperatures really settle in. Highs in the 40s, lows at or below freezing. And then Thursday, going to be an ugly day. We're looking at scattered showers and a few thunderstorms and some wintry mix across the hill country, especially north of Fredericksburg.